Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to present my field study on a project that sits at the intersection of healthcare and innovation, the design and development of a sustainable medicine dispensing device. My name is M. Uthman bin Suryani. So, why did we decide to build this? We identified three major challenges in current medication management. First, accessibility challenges in remote areas. Many people living far from cities or clinics have a hard time getting to a pharmacy to refill their prescriptions. Second, long queues and time wastage in pharmacies. For those who can get to a pharmacy, the process can be incredibly time-consuming, taking away from work or family time. And third, perhaps the most critical one, medication non-adherence due to convenience. When it's not easy to take medicine on a strict schedule, people often forget or skip doses, which can seriously impact their health outcomes. Our device aims to tackle all three of these problems head-on. With those problems in mind, we set clear and achievable objectives for our project. Our main goal was to design and develop a functional medicine dispensing device from the ground up. To make it smart, we plan to integrate multiple sensors and actuators, allowing it to interact with its environment and the user. And finally, a key feature: to alert the user when the medicine stock is empty or running low. This way, there are no surprises. The user always knows when it's time for a refill. Here's a look at the device in action and its brain. We used a platform called Blynk, which is a really user-friendly app. This allowed us to create a simple interface on a smartphone. So, a user isn't interacting with a complex machine. They're just pressing a button on their phone to get their dose. It makes the technology accessible to everyone, not just engineers. Now, for the technical part. We tested the device rigorously, and these were our results. An ultrasonic sensor measures the distance to the pill stack, which tells us the stock level. As you can see in the table, when the distance was around 3 to 5 centimeters, the stock status was okay. Pressing a button, like BTN1 for medicine A, would activate the corresponding motor for 1 second to dispense a pill. However, when the distance increased to 6 centimeters, meaning the pills were running low, the system automatically changed the status to low stock. Crucially, it also disabled the motor. This prevents the device from trying to dispense nothing and alerts the user that it's time to restock. The output on the serial monitor, like distance, 5.60 centimeters, shows the live data we were getting from the sensor, confirming everything was working as intended. Beyond just functionality, we built this device with a strong focus on sustainability. Environmentally friendly. For example, we used used or recycled materials to create the spiral mechanism that pushes the pill out. User accessibility. The design philosophy was to keep it affordable and incredibly easy to use, ensuring it can help the most people possible. Durability. We designed it for long-term use with robust components, which reduces the need for frequent replacements and repairs, saving resources in the long run. With those problems in mind, we set clear and achievable objectives for our project. Our main goal was to design and develop a functional medicine dispensing device from the ground up. To make it smart, we plan to integrate multiple sensors and actuators, allowing it to interact with its environment and the user. And finally, a key feature: to alert the user when the medicine stock is empty or running low. This way, there are no surprises. The user always knows when it's time for a refill.
Baiklah, ini Blink saya. Apabila pil kita menekan button ni, pil 1, maka motor akan bergerak untuk mendispensing ubat. Tapi saya tak ada contoh ubat, maka saya tak letaklah ubat tu. Untuk pil 2 pula, bila kita tekan, benda sama yang terjadi, namun ianya ada di pil 2. Jadi untuk stock level, jika dia lebih daripada 7 cm, so saya setting kat sini adalah 10 cm tau. Jika dia lebih daripada dia kurang daripada 7 cm, maka ubat akan ditunjukkan sebagai lost stock. Itu saja.